Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to review the Chicago Electric Benchtop Table Saw. Let's do this. A beautiful day it is, and thanks to their magazine, I got this baby right here for a discount. They want 150 bucks for it, plus tax comes out to like 170 something. I got it for 109, plus tax it was like 120 bucks. So let's open it and see what it is. Supposedly it comes with a stand, and it's a 10-inch saw blade, and it's a 15-amp benchtop. It's heavy-duty aluminum, fully shielded, ball bearings, 3-inch rear dust, and it has a 10-inch 36-tooth carbide tip circular saw blade. Ooh, table saw stand sold separately. Alrighty, ugh. Opens up like this. Wow, that's what you get, huh? Alright, so there's some aluminum, some foil. Oh boy. Oh wow, it's actually a lot. It's actually the unit itself is actually quite light. Go ahead and take that off. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Check that out. What a great thing to have. Usually you have to buy these, but it comes with it. This allows you, if you guys don't know what this is, let's say I have a piece of wood here, right? And I want to cut it. Well, what you do is, like, here's your piece of wood, and you say you want to cut it. Well, you don't want to put your hand on it like this, because it could grab it and it could kick it back at you or whatever. So you could use this piece of wood, or you could use this tool through the saw without your hand being near it, which is very cool. They definitely get a plus in my book for this included tool. This thing, which that's a locking guide. Check that out. That's pretty cool. That's a locking guide. You can lock it, and then that way the wood only goes that far into it. This is all the accessories. Okay, so that's the guard. Cool. Excellent. Little wheel. Not sure what's in this thing. What is that? Oh, that's cool. If you guys know what this thing is, comment below. I think it's meant to catch, but I'm not sure. So if you guys know what this piece is, let me know. Comment below. And then, oh, sweet tools. I think that's everything you get, essentially, which I'm not complaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items plus the saw. And then the brochure. need this anymore. We'll set that over there. So it looks like it has a spot for a hose to go. So that way you could suck the dust out of it. 4,600 RPM. Wow. Oh, that's really cool. I just noticed that. You see, there's like a ruler here. Oh, look, it has plastic on it. Oh. There it goes. So, with the guide arm, right, I noticed that right there, you see that? It has like a red line, and it lines up with the ruler. So you could actually move this to adjust your cut. See that? That's really cool. It just slides along with it, and then when you find your spot, you just pull this down and it locks it into place. And then that's not going nowhere. This right. This can't be. I did something wrong, man. There's no way that this works like this, because you can't put nothing underneath that. See, the instructions are not very clear at all. That's my only gripe about this, is the instructions suck. I've never put together a stupid saw like this. See, it doesn't show you or explain to you how these parts exactly go together. Now, it shows you how to put this thing on, okay, but the steps are actually backwards. This is the first step, and then this is actually the second step, but they have it labeled as changing the blade. So they kind of have like this instructions, but you need to be able to pull other instructions out of other instructions to get it. But even then, so it sucks. But yeah, nowhere in this manual does it tell me how this is supposed to install or how it's supposed to mechanically work. There's nothing in it. See? Nothing. The instructions suck. Except for that. I really like that part. It has a full breakdown of it. That's really nice. And then on top of that, it has a parts list of everything, which is also very nice. But this doesn't do me any freaking good if I don't know how to use the damn saw or put it together. So I guess I'm going to have to go off of pictures. Or, I don't know, maybe I'll have to YouTube it to figure out how it goes together. Like, also, it included these 2 wrenches, which I think is the clue, because these weren't in any of the instructions. This was none of the steps. None of the steps said anything about using the damn included wrenches. So maybe I missed something. Is there something like another pair of instructions that I missed? I don't know. Like, I know what that thing does. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure, to tell you the truth. Why See what I'm saying? Yo, we just looked through the instructions, and not once did it ever tell us, oh, use this wrench. See? And that's where it ends. There's nothing after that. No pictures. No instructions. That's it. So while I was sitting here trying to figure this thing out, I noticed this bracket down here at the bottom, and that's for this thing. And I actually thought that was actually really cool, because look, check it out. There it goes. It just sits right like that. Isn't that cool? That way you can store it. I thought that was neat. Okay, so according to the videos that I watched, no, that is the correct way. What you're actually supposed to do is turn this knob here and see how it moves everything up and then lowers everything down. See, I had it all the way lowered, and I'm sitting here going, wait a minute, how do you put wood underneath there? Well, you big dummy, you gotta raise it first, and that's how you do it. And then these sit down like that, and then you feed your piece of wood through and out like that. So yeah, that's that. So there you have it, guys, the Chicago Electric 10-inch 15 amp benchtop table saw. I was really underneath the impression that I thought this thing came with the stand, but that's okay. We can get the stand. The stand's only like another 50-60 bucks. I am not sure what this is, but yes, it looks good. Pictures are for, but earlier I was like, you know, I'm not sure what this little thing is down here. Well, this is what it is. Look at this. It gives you a place to put those wrenches. With this, I quite like it. Out of a 10, I would give it a solid 8.5, almost a 9. The only reason why it did not get a 9 and it did not get a 10 was because I thought the instructions were crap. And then the second thing is it didn't come with a stand. But most saws are not sold with the stand. I understand that. And then the other gripe about it, I would have to say, it is, you know, it's not a Craftsman. But for the price point, it's right on it. You know, for less than 200 bucks, you can't go wrong with it, because if you're going to spend money on a table saw, especially a decent table saw, you're going to spend anywhere from, you know, $200 to $300, if not more, for one. So yes, I hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Here's like a full look of it. It looks cool.